Okay, let's look at this money bags puzzle. A person is having total rupees 1023 with him. So he has rupees 1023 with him. He wants to distribute them in minimum number of bags. So he wants to put this money in minimum number of bags, okay, such that he should be able to give any amount from rupees 1 to 1023 just by the combination of bags. Find the minimum number of bags required. Now, so what is that situation here? So for example, what he's trying to tell you is, now he has this 1023. Just for a small example, let's take a small number, something like say 31 for a moment. Now he has 31 rupees. He wants to divide this 31 into different bags. So in each bag he wants to, so imagine this is a potli, some bag, okay. So these are bags, okay. Now he wants to put money in these bags in such a way that, you know, the combination of these bags would add up, and you know, he should be able to distribute them to anyone. He wants to distribute them in minimum number of bags such that he should be able to give any amount from 1 to 1023. What does that mean? Any amount. Say from this 31 rupees, he wants to give say 15 rupees to someone. Now if he wants to give this 15 rupees, or he wants to give 30 rupees or anything, you know, it's something like any amount that he wants to give, he should be able to give. From this 31 rupees, he should be able to give this 30 rupees in any combination. So that means this 30 should be summation of these bags or something like that. So how is that possible? So say for example, you might say, sir, what do you need to think about this? We'll make say something like 5, 10, 15. So 15 plus 10 plus 5 is how much? 30 plus 1, 31. So it's, you know, if I want to give 30, I can give 5 plus 2 plus 15. So I can give 30. If I want to give 15, I can give 5 plus 10, 15. But what if you need to give a number like say 4 to someone? You have to distribute 4 rupees, or you need to give 4 rupees to someone. How will you give 4 rupees now? Now, because you have 1, 5, 10, 15, can you give 4 to someone? You cannot. So you cannot give rupees 4 with this combination of 1, 5, 10 and 15. So the bag should have money equivalents in such a way that you should be able to give every possible rupee, that is 1, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 5 rupees, so on till 31 rupees. So you should be able to give every possible amount using this 31, and that doesn't mean that, you know, you make bags of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, because that might not take care of the entire combination. So here, one way of looking at this problem is, you know, we need to think through and get to the answer. But another way to look at it is, there is something interesting we have when you have good knowledge of numbers. What is that, sir? Let's understand. So basically, we know there is something called 2 power 0, which is 1, and 2 power 1, which is 2, 2 power 3, which is 2 square, which is 4, 2 cube, that is 8. Now, 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. Now, there is something very interesting about these numbers. Now, 1 is 1, 2 is 2. But if I want 3, your 1 plus 2, your 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Now, if you want 4, 4 is anyways there. If you want 5, your 1 plus 4 gives you 5. If you want 6, your 2 plus 4 will give you 6. Now, if you want 7, your 1 plus 2 plus 4 will give you 7. And you want 8, 8 is already there. Now, using this 8, 1, 2 and 4, let's see what all can be done. Now, after 7, 8 is 8 itself. Now, if I want 9, you can see your 1 and 8 will give you 9. Now, if you want 10, your 2 plus 8 will give you 10. Now, if you want 11, you can take 1 plus 2 plus 8, that will give you 11. Now, if you want 12, how can you get 12? Yeah, simply 4 plus 8 will give you 12. 4 plus 8 will give you 12. Now, if you want 13, so how will I get 13? 1 plus 4 plus 8 will give me 13. Yeah, to get 14, simply I can use 2 plus 4 plus 8. That will give me what? 14. If I want 15, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 will give me 15. Can you see something interesting here? Yeah. So this is a knowledge more than a puzzle. This is some knowledgeable stuff that every student preparing for competitive exams should know, that the powers of 2, say for example here, you can see 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3. So basically this is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, that gives you 15. Now 15 is basically, yeah, very good, 2 power 4, 16 minus 1 is 15. So basically 2 power 4 minus 1 is 15. Now that number can be split into 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 such that it covers all possible numbers from 1 to 15. That means you can divide that number in various combinations to get numbers from 1 to 15. Okay, so what did we learn? So what did we learn is 15 can be split into 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3. Okay, so wherein 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8. So if 15 is split into 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is sums to 15, using these digits or using these values, I can get all the values from 1 to 15. So if I extend this thought process, if I have a number like 31, which is 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4. Okay, so if I add this, this is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. If you sum this up, this will give you 31. Using these digits or using these values 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, I can create values from 1 to 31 in various combinations of 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. But what is our problem? Our problem was 1023. Now I want to distribute this 1023 into various bags or put this money in various bags with different values such that the person should be able to give any amount from rupees 1 to 1023. Now that's what you need to do. So how will we do that? Now 1023. Now we need to do for 1023. Now if anyone knows what is 1023, basically 1023 is what? 1024 minus 1. If you know what is 1024, what is 1024? 2 power 10. Now people who don't know 2 power 10, what is 2 power 10? 2 power 10 is nothing but 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. Now what is 2 power 5? 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 5 is 32, 32 into 32. Okay, if you multiply 32 into 32, you will realize you will get it as 1024. Now 1024 basically is a known number which is 2 to the power of 10, which every competitive aspirant should be knowing. So now when you know 1024 minus 1, so basically 1023 can be written as a combination of 2 power 0 and 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus so on till 2 power 9. Basically 2 power 9, yeah, what is 2 power 9? 2 power 9 is 512. So you know 2 power 9 is 512. So if you add up this one, this is 1 plus, 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus so on. If you add till 512, you get 1023. Basically, now he is not asking you to find out number of bags. In one bag you will put 2 power 0, in another bag you will put 2 power 1, in another bag you will put 2 power 2, in another bag you will put 2 power 3 and so on. In the last bag you will put 2 power 9. So if you are smart, tell me how many bags are there. So 2 power 0 to 2 power 9. So this is one bag. 2 power 1 is 1, 2 power 2 is second bag, 3. So this is 1 to 9 and this is the 10th bag. So you totally require 10 bags. That's a minimum number of bags with which you can split all the numbers from 1 to 1023. So how many bags are required? 10 bags are required.